Man, you talk about one pissed off dude. Y'all remember this van? It's the one that overheated, got so hot it cooked the cam sensor. Well, guess what? Her insurance company want me to freaking tear it down. There go my pusher right there. We getting ready to push it back in. Guys, let me tell you something right quick. Here's the deal. If I pull this head and find out that it's warped, the customer got to pay for it. If I pull this head and find out they not warped, the insurance company would pay for it. Y'all see how crazy that sound? Well, anyway, I got to get it towed back in the shop and get it tore down. Got her in thanks to that bad boy right there. That's a hell of a track thunder or whatever they call it. But yeah, we got this baby in, man. Alrighty, guys, real quick. This is a long video now. Y'all see that time? Where it go? It's 3:25 p.m. November the 29th, Friday. I was told to tear this engine down. All I'm gonna do is remove one cylinder head. What I'm about to do now is time myself. I used to be real fast at this. Y'all can see everything is connected. Only thing disconnected where I verified that the cam sensor was burned up and I need an engine. But for some reason, her insurance company want me to tear it down. So I got to do just that. I'm just gonna pull one head off. All right, y'all see this? Y'all ready? I mean, look at this time again. It's 3:25. Y'all see that? I can't manipulate the time on my other phone, right? All right, stay tuned. I'm gonna let y'all know how fast I got this mugged off. Let's freaking get it. All right, guys. Remember what we said? We keeping track of time. It is 4:17. Has that even been an hour yet? Well, guess what? And I got all the valve train off. Got everything off. My job here is to take this head off so the inspector can come and verify if it's warped. I hope they don't find that it's warped so they can honor this lady warranty. But I still got some time to get that hour spot. What is it, 4:17? All right, let me get this head off. Right there. We going to the table. Whew. All right, now let's go look at the time because it's officially off. My goal was to see how fast. I used to be real fast at these. You know what that means? That means I have done way too freaking many. If I'm able to get this off, 4:19. So I don't even think it's been an hour. But anyway, my job here is done. All we do now is wait. This thing is cooked. I don't know if y'all familiar with the smell of a severely overheated engine, but the aroma that they give off, oh, it's ridiculous. Now, this is the one that wouldn't start. Y'all remember? What will happen if I crank it over? I'm gonna try to, let me see if I can pull a double duty right there. All right. Those of you that work on cars know what that typically indicates. So basically, if this thing had started, it would have overheated right away. That is a true sign of exhaust gases getting into the cooling system, guys. I stopped right here, okay? Look, no blown head gasket, or this head gasket is not blown. Yes, there was blown head gasket symptoms, but this head gasket is physically not blown. Guys, you see how many sheets this is? This is multi-layered. I'm working with one hand. This is multi-layered steel. All right, so yeah, it's hard to blow these. So this aluminum, this block is aluminum, and that head is even softer aluminum. So that will give out before this do. All right, yeah. So I'm thinking, I don't know, maybe the cooler gave out, and they put a used cooler on here. Cause see, look at all that. Yeah, I didn't create that oil by picking his head up. There's oil and coolant down there. I think they kept running this thing while it was overheating. But anyway, they have a warranty, aftermarket warranty on it. So, like I said, they got her to approve tear down. Here's how this company here is. All right, they got her to approve tear down time. I need 6 hours tear down time to remove both cylinder heads. I'm only stopping at one. All right, that's all I need to know what I need to know. I already know what I need to know. I already know what it needs. We just going through the motions at this point. So don't get in my comment section popping off at the mouth when you don't know what's going on. So, but my thing is, I see the whole valve train. I ain't even check for ticking because that's the least of their problem. But the smell, aroma, yeah, it's cooked, baby. This thing is freaking cooked. What a cam sensor. I told you, it was melted. If this is melted, this sits inside of the valve cover. Yeah, it was melted. It's hard to see with oil on it, but so it's cooked. So what do we go from here? I do not know. 421. Now, what I need, I can't find mine, guys. You can get in the comment section all you want. This guy ain't got no tools. For the life of me. Hey, what is Ziz wheel at? Go bring me the Ziz wheel. Let's clean this up real good, because we're going to put a straight edge on it. I have no idea what my straight, I have the roll around straight edge. You can see I've done several videos with my straight edge. A lot of the other guys got the ruler type. I have the roller type. I mean, it's the same, you get the same results. All right. And, you know, of course you use your filler gauge, but there's different kinds of straight edges. So mine is the roller type. I think I laid it down somewhere now. I don't know where. I was looking for it the other day. So I'm going to go grab my buddy's ruler type. And I'm going to entertain this, but I want them not to find that this head is warped. I told y'all what they told the guy on the phone. Yeah, clean it up for me, please. They told him on the phone, if the cylinder head is warped, I guess they under the assumption that the customer caused it. If it's not, there's just an internal problem with the engine that they cover. Yeah, you see how that work? Yeah, that's crazy. But I'm hoping like hell they don't find. That's why I say aluminum, expand, retract, expand, retract. It could go either way. So I don't know what he gonna find. The adjuster gonna come out with his own. Yeah, clean that up. Yeah. So what we're gonna do now is get that all cleaned up. In the meantime, I'm gonna go grab a straight edge from my Russian buddy. I got this thing off in less than a freaking hour. Everything, start to finish. And I didn't have my help on here because he would just slow me down. I didn't want to be slowed down, so I had him putting that other parts on that engine over there. Like I say, guys, I'm multitasking. I got 5 different things going on one time, but you got to keep in your head on where you at. Yeah, I know some of y'all gonna cry about this, but this engine is cooked. So you can let trash in all day long. This engine was never run again, no matter what. It wouldn't run, it was towed in, it wouldn't run in. Y'all remember it just spin over, the compression and all that? So yeah, that's why all of this off. I ran the compression in the real cylinder heads. But so let me go see if I can track down a straight edge, and we'll go from there. They're about to crank up the loud music again. So yeah, damn, I'm showing mine. That means I've done too many of these guys. There was a time, it wasn't a recall, there was a warranty extension on Bank 2 cylinder head, which is this head. And we had to do those. It paid good too. Now, I can talk reckless like this now because these are out of warranty. If these cars are still in warranty, you never want to make a video showing how fast you've done something. My buddy on Facebook reminded me of that a couple of times. Damn, I can't think of his name. My buddy on Facebook, he's an instructor. He used to be an instructor or something like that. He reminded me all the time, keep that chatter low key, but this car is totally out of warranty. All right, these engines are out of warranty. That head, or that, it wasn't a recall. That warranty extension is out of warranty. All right, it was 10-year or 150,000 miles. It's out. I'm talking too much. Let me go find a straight edge, guys. Y'all hold tight.